Hello once again. Welcome to the sixth and final video of this tutorial. In this video, we're going to focus on staff details, expenses, as well as budget. So let's get started. So click on staff here, and we can add the list of staff here, and these are the list. You can also view the list of employees that we have available. So first of all, we can add a staff. And take note, we have designations here and we have departments here. So if there's no designation among this one, you can add it by clicking on this. And let's say we are going to add let's say accountant, then you can put a description of this accountant, okay, in charge of daily accounts of production operations. And then you click on save here. You can also add a department here, so you can click this one and say accounts department, and then you can also give department for accounts, just a description, and you save it as well. So we can have the same here. We have accountant, and down here you have account department. So let's try to add a new staff here. So let's say we have Ken, and the gender we selected from here, and you choose image for this staff. So let's say get some. Okay, so I'm just going to let me take this picture, and then he's an accountant and he's from the account department, and the mobile and the email then the status, full-time, part-time, attachment, national service, you do that, and the address of this person here. Let's just take this one. Alright, then we click this to save this new stuff here. So you can see the name here. You can edit it by clicking on this one. You can go over these details here, and then you can change it. You can change, let's try to change something here. Let me just make here maybe part-time. So I will update it so it is updated here, and then it is now a part-time. I see. You can put shadows for this stuff. So let's select the name of the staff. Let's say this. And the shadows, maybe a shadow on this date and the time of that. I'm just clicking sample one. That's the start time and ends at this time. Okay, and then you save it. And these are the list of shadows also here. We can view the details of this stuff that we have. These are the details with their images here. You can edit as well. We have it, and we can filter here. So let me select a name and filter. You can have the name of this person here. You can also filter based on the designation. Let's say sales executive. Okay, so there's nothing like that available. Let's take another one, general secretary. Yeah, so we have one here. Let's base it on, you can do that based on the email. I think we have an email called, let me just select that. You can filter based on the email, based on the phone. And you can also export the list of staff by clicking on export here, and it will download it upstairs. Up there. You have a CSV or Excel file that is downloaded for you, and you can have the list of staff within the company. So we have the list here. Let me just try to open it up so we see how it looks like. So this is the list with their details. Okay, right, so we have that done. Next we're going to look at, let's get back to the production and then the staff and see what we have. We can view the list of shift that is also be done. You can export it, you can filter based on this. You can filter based on the date, maybe those that are scheduled for 5th. You can filter, and you can export these lists as well. So let me just open that. and that is for, let's check here. So we have it here based on the date here that is filtered and exported. Okay, so that is it for the staff. Let's now move on to the budget as well as the expenses. So we start with the expenses. So with the expenses, you can pick an expense, that something that you want to purchase. So you can put the name here. Let's say we want to buy maybe a full, a live animal. So let's say a ram. Okay, maybe, and then you can add the weight there, maybe 50 kg. So it's just an item. Then you look at the category of the item here. Okay, so I can come here and select a category. Okay, let me see, animal, just a description of it, animal for production of sausage. So when we come back here and we take the same thing, live ram, 50 kg, that's the weight. And we have category here, and the amount will be 8,500. And the production operation, it is, you can pick anything here. We can take something like, we can add one production operation, which is going to be like preparation of live animal or something like that. So I'm just going to pick one operation here, just for the sake of the tutorial, and then select the date, and then you see the expenses here. So this is saved, and you can edit it as well. Okay, just click on here and then go through and edit the details as you wish. Alright, so back to the production operation. You can view the details also here, and you can filter just like we did here. We can filter based on the machine. We can also filter based on a category here. So let's say computers, if we have a category on that, no category, and let's say repairs, no category, advertisement. Yeah, so we have one here. Okay, so you can filter based on the production operation. You can also filter based on the date, and you can also export. So that is it for the expenses aspect. Now let's take a look at the budget aspect. So to create a budget, you will come here and click on budget, and then you have the budget name. So let's say you are creating a budget for a particular period, or a budget to produce something. So the name could be budget for the production of let's say chicken sausage, something like that. So and then you select the budget date. Then you need to pick items that you need for this production. Okay, so we have, maybe you need a rubber, you need a live ram or something, you need a paper container. If it is not available, you can add, if you don't have it here, you can go here and add these items that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to pick these items here. Just assume that these are the items I have. So I click on this. How many do I need? To be 5. I add more. How many do I? And then I select another one, maybe live ram, and then I want only 2 of them. And then I pick maybe paper container. I need like 5 of them. And when you're okay, you just click here to save. So this is the current budget that you just did here. We can see the total cost for that if we go and view the records, the budget records. So let's view that. This is the total cost, and this is the current one that we just have. So 2,200. We just have that one there calculated. You can edit as well. So let me just pick this one that is down here. I click here to edit. So to edit this is the current item I have. I have only this item. if I want to add any of these items, I can select them and just update here. So if you look at it, let's go back to the records. You see that it is updated. This is it down here. You can go back, and then if you look here, it is there, and you can even go through and then improve the number that you need for each, and then you select here and update it as well. Alright, so you can view the budget records, and these are the budget items. So to add a new item, if it doesn't appear here, you can just click on this one. You come here and add the item. Let's say we need something like let's say vacuum rubber, and the unit price will be 500, and then you save the item. Okay, so when you come here, you realize that there is vacuum rubber here. So this is how to add items to that, and this is how to compute the budget. Yeah, so this will do for the final video of this SME application. Bye for now.